Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are watching new upcoming WhatsApp features in 2023. Let's get started without wasting any time. Companion mode. This feature will allow you to use your WhatsApp account on multiple devices without having to keep your phone connected to the internet. This means that you will be able to send and receive messages, make and receive calls, and view your chat history on any device that has the WhatsApp app installed. Business directory. WhatsApp is planning to launch a business directory that will make it easier for users to find and contact businesses on the platform. The directory will list businesses by category and location, and will include information such as contact information, website address, and hours of operation. View once text. This feature will allow you to send text messages that can only be viewed once by the recipient. After the recipient has viewed the message, it will disappear from their chat history. This is a useful feature for sending sensitive or private information. Short video messages. WhatsApp is working on a feature that will allow users to send short video messages of up to 60 seconds in length. This feature is expected to be released soon for both Android and iPhone users. Screen sharing. This feature will allow you to share your phone screen with other WhatsApp users in real time. This is a useful feature for collaborating on projects or giving presentations. New interface for Android. WhatsApp is also working on a new interface for Android users. The new interface is designed to be more stoner-friendly and easier to navigate. In addition to these features, WhatsApp is also working on a number of other updates, such as improved support for AI-powered chatbots, new privacy features, and new group chat features. Thanks for watching.